In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you've ended up with duplicate accounts or similar categories cluttering your books, merging is a clean way to consolidate them. A quick heads up. Before we begin, merging is permanent. Once two accounts are merged, all historical transactions move into the account you keep and the other account is removed. It can't be undone, so consider exporting your chart of accounts or taking a quick backup copy of key reports before you proceed. Here's how the merge works in QuickBooks Online. You edit the account you want to retire, change its details so they exactly match the account you want to keep, and then save. QuickBooks recognizes the duplicate and combines them for you. Start in QuickBooks Online and click the Settings gear icon in the upper right. From there, open Chart of Accounts. Find the account whose transactions you want to move into another account. This is the account you'll edit so it matches the account you want to keep. On that account's row, open the drop-down arrow and choose Edit. In the Edit window, change the account name so it is an exact match to the name of the account you're keeping. Spacing, punctuation, and capitalization that matter here, so it helps to copy the exact name from the account you're keeping and paste it in. Next, adjust the account type so it matches the target account. For a successful merge, the account type, and typically the detail type and currency, must align. If those don't match, QuickBooks may block the merge to protect your reporting structure. When everything matches, click Save. After you save, QuickBooks will recognize that another account already uses that exact name and will prompt you to combine them. Proceed only if you're sure you want to consolidate, because this action moves all transactions and cannot be reversed. If you don't get a merge prompt, double check for typos in the name, verify the account type and detail type are the same, and confirm both accounts use the same currency. Also note that certain default or special accounts cannot be merged, and parent accounts can't merge with sub-accounts unless their structure matches. Once merged, return to Chart of Accounts and you'll see just the account you kept. All historical activity from the old account now lives there. It's a good idea to run a quick report on the surviving account to confirm the combined balance and transactions look right. And that's it. You've streamlined your chart of accounts and kept your books cleaner going forward.